Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove phone number on Discord. To get started, open Discord app, then go to user setting. And select accounts. Now here you can see the phone number option. Click on it and below you will see remove phone number option. Click on remove phone number option and here you have to add your password and just add your password and click on done, so you are good to go.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.